Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable your active status on Messenger for a specific date using the latest, updated method. If you want to appear offline to your friends, but only for a certain day, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open up the Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to adjust. Once the app is open, look towards the bottom right corner and tap on the menu icon. This usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture, depending on your version. Now that you're in the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will open up a list of options where you can control your privacy, notifications, and more. What we're interested in is the active status setting. Find and tap on Active Status. Here, you'll see a switch that shows whether your active status is currently on or off. To hide your online presence, simply toggle this switch off. Messenger will now stop showing others when you're active or recently active. But here's the updated part. If you only want to disable your active status for a specific date, tap on the option labeled Custom. This feature lets you choose exactly when you want your active status to be turned off. Select Custom, and then pick the date you want to appear offline. For example, if you want to go invisible on your birthday or during an important meeting, just set that date here. Once you've chosen your custom date, confirm your selection. Messenger will automatically hide your active status on that day and then restore it afterwards, so you don't have to worry about remembering to turn it back on. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to disable your active status on Messenger for a specific date. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.